Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have an unboxing to do of Happy Mail from Michaels. So let's pop it open and see what we have here. I'm excited about this. I think this will be my first items from this shop. So what we have here is all the washi from Capital Chic's collab with Michael. I guess it's a collab. Is it considered a collab? I've been going back and forth to Michael's looking for the Capital Chic Designs products, and they were not showing up in my store. Priscilla, I guess, has seen my vlogs and saw that I was looking for it, so she sent me money for my birthday and told me to go ahead and get my Capital Chic products that I wanted. So that's what I did. I found some really good coupons, and I was able to use what she sent me to buy all of this washi, and I'll show you what else. So thank you, Priscilla. This is kind of like a birthday gift from Priscilla, and I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate your support and comments and talking to me and everything that you do. Okay, so this is, let's move these out of the way. You already had a sneak peek, so let's do them one at a time. Okay, so I saw this on Michael's website, and I was like, ooh, I want those. I don't know what it is about self-adhesive pockets, but they're my jam. I like them, and I just always want them. So let's open it up. Look at the packaging. Very nice. I don't know, they're still not in the store either, and today is, I don't know what the date is, but it seems like they should be there by now, but it doesn't even look like they're preparing for them to be there. So this is the card that it comes with it. So this is the first pocket now, and it has like a business card pocket here, so you can stick something in there. Let's see what I got on my desk that might go in there. So for instance, like that, got a little slit. This is the back with the adhesive. Then we have this one with the dolls. Again, it has a little slit, so you can stick stuff in there and in here. Black and white stripes. This is the back with the adhesive. So I think these two are the same size. Yes, they are. Then we have two smaller ones. This one I think is probably my favorite, with the pink and the bow. It does not have the slit, but you can tuck things in this pocket here. And there's the adhesive on the back. The pink is really pretty, and that lace. And then we have the Planner Addict version with the black and white polka dots. Again, the pocket and the adhesive. So those are really nice, and I thought they were going to be like a plastic, but they are paper, but they're treated cardstock, so they're kind of semi-gloss, which makes them a little more heavy duty. So let's dig into the washi tape. Let's start with this one, and I really hate to mess up the packaging, but I want you to be able to see the washi. So this pattern is really not my style, but I also like to use things that are not my style, and I wanted to get all of the washi in her collection, so I did. Then we have these. This one is a vertical style washi with the dolls going up and down, if you can see that. Then we have a thin gold washi, a thin red washi. And this one, I like this one too. The color scheme is really nice. This one says, her soul is fierce, killing it, shine girl. And that just repeats. And I like that color scheme a lot. It's not the typical pink and purple, and yeah, it's some nice colors. Don't want to waste any. Okay, so that was the first set. Let's see, which one do I want to do next? Let's do this one next. This one, do they have names on them? I don't know the names. And it doesn't have a name on them. Oh, these are by Craftsmith. Huh. Through Michaels? Is Craftsmith Michaels company? Okay. So this first one, and this feels like really good washi tape. It has these ladies on here. Let's see where the pattern repeats. So you get all of these ladies on the washi with, it's got like a gold confetti foil background behind them. It's very nice. Then we have an animal print with a pink background. Again, really not my thing, the animal print stuff, but I wanted everything in the collection. So, and then this one is bows and more bows. I really like that. And it's on a peachy colored background, but it's really light, so the bows will stand out. And it's got gold foil bows, and then it's black with gold foil polka dots. The next set I want to open, let's do this one. Yeah, and each one of these has 3 rolls in them, 3 or more, because this one had 2 small ones, so that one had 4, but around 3 or 4. And I think I paid $3 each after coupons, so it's about $1 a roll. Good deal. Then here is another one with a pink background. Now look at the little ballerina right there. So these are, this is nice. Then we have this one with black gold foil dot border. Says Planner Geek, Planner Friends, Planner Addict. Planner Friends make the best friends, and then it repeats. So that's what it looks like. Then this one, I think is a tracker theme. Yes, so it has a tracker, a variety of different trackers. It's got a an empty box, a hydrate tracker. So these are nice. See, I love functional washi. I have an idea to make my own functional washi, but yeah, I love functional washi. Not just for decoration, but you can actually use it for something. So this got the trackers and the hydrate stickers. So that's that box. Next up, I really like, I'm saving the best for last, or what I think is the best. So next up is this black and white and gold. Let's pop in here and see what we got. First off, we have another gold. This is a wider, just simple plain gold. We have a black and white stripe that's very similar to one that I already have. I think these are the same washi. But, yep. Now I have more because I could use that black and white all the time. Then we have this one with the watch, the purse, looks like some type of bracelet, mascara, coffee cup, shoes, watch, and it just kind of repeats with the bow, the hat, makeup, camera, the glasses. So the pattern is kind of long, so you have lots of graphics in there in your pattern. So that's very nice. Make a great black and white spread. It's hard wrapping these back up neatly because I don't want to waste any. Okay. So there's that one. And then we have, I like this one a lot. Black and white and gold stripe. That's what it looks like. Classic. Then I'll go with this one next. This one was one of my favorites. So first, I love this scallop, but this is what it looks like, and it's pink and gold and very pretty. I can see myself using this up really quick. This would be great for Valentine's Day. Maybe I need to write that down to make sure I use it for Valentine's Day or for February in general. Then we have some pink bows with gold centers. Very pretty. Is that gold or is that coppery color? I think that's gold. Then we have this lace, black and white lace pattern. Very pretty. Classic. Okay. So those all go together well, especially these last few. To me, they all work together. And then this one, my favorite of them all. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. Y'all know I love a weekday washi. I have several. And this is perfect. It's not the basic, simple black and white that I usually have. It's different. And you can actually, the days of the week are actually big enough so that you can actually read them. They stand out. Nice contrast. You have a little gold foil on there to spice things up. These are perfect. When I saw this washi, I was like, okay, I gotta have this. And if it actually comes into my store, I'll probably buy a backup because I like to use the day of the week washi. So that was less like, ooh. Okay. Then this checklist washi. Again, it's not just the typical black and white. It is gold foil. And you can make your checklist as long or as short as you want with this. You could run this all the way down the side of the page. Again, another reason why I want a backup of this one. So hopefully they will actually come in store and I can get a backup. Then we have this washi. It's a vertical washi, which you don't see often. And then I think this collection has 2 verticals. Yep, there's another vertical. And it has the dolls, bigger dolls on a white background so that the white will blend into your paper if you're using white paper, and the dolls will stand out more. But this is what they look like, and I think it's just these, and then it repeats. Let's get closer. Look at those. And then you could even, they're big enough that you can even just trim off a doll and stick her on in a planter box in your box and use her as deco in your box. You don't even have to use this as a long strip of washi tape. So I like that one. And then more pink and gold, right up my alley. Give me all the pink washi. And it's got very light pink stripes in the background with gold foil dots. So really you could use this as a type of checklist or to make lists. So each dot would be an item or task on your list. You just might not be able to check it off depending on what type of pen you're using. But so that is the entire collection that I'm aware of Capital Chic Designs washi tape. Thank you again, Priscilla. I'm so excited and ready to start using it. So there we go. That's the whole collection. Don't forget the self-adhesive pockets. She has plenty of other items, but since I am planning on a budget, I got the main things that I wanted only. And if I'm able to luck up on anything else, that will be great. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit me over at Journal Life's Journey, where I do live crafting videos, I blog, and create junk journals. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!